That's Maddie right there. She's snoring. Listen to that, people. Yeah. Maddie snores so loud. Oh, look at sisters snuggling together. She snuggles her sister all the time when she's not pouncing on her.
So much love.
Crush. Crush. Crush.